Good morning and a very warm welcome to everyone on our very first episode of Yes Summit powered by Youth Aid Foundation. This is your host Aparna Sanyal, and today we'll know more about Yes Summit, which is the Young Entrepreneur Summit, a platform for young minds to pitch their unique and innovative business ideas. So today we have a very special guest amongst us. We have Mrs. Priya Kothari, who is the board member of Youth Aid Foundation. So, Mrs. Priya, can we start by telling us a little bit about yourself and about your role at Youth Aid Foundation?
Yes. Hi, Aparna. I'm Priya and I'm the board member of Youth Aid Foundation. Right now, I'm working with the Youth Aid worldwide and I'm promoting the Youth Aid Foundation internationally. Specifically, what is Youth Aid Foundation is? Youth Aid Foundation is a non-profit. We work with the youth and women, specifically women entrepreneurs. We try to promote the grassroots first generation micro entrepreneurship and giving the chance to the women entrepreneurs to start their own businesses and empower themselves digitally, financially, and independently. They can support their families. So that is a vision, and our mission is to reach 1 million entrepreneurs till 2013.
Wow, I think that's a great mission and vision that Youth Aid Foundation has. So, Priya ji, can you tell us about Yes Summit and about the upcoming festival, the huge event that Youth Aid Foundation is having?
Yes Summit is... It's very hard. You can say Youth Aid Foundation heart is Yes Summit. Before registering Youth Aid Foundation, we started with the Yes Summit. Okay. So Yes Summit is a young entrepreneur summit, which is giving a platform to the youth and the young entrepreneurs to present their ideas, to enhance their knowledge, and also give them a proper business plan, support, and seed capital. You can say in the startup ecosystem, whatever is required, that Yes Summit is providing to support them with mentorship. So Yes Summit is our flagship event. Every year we organize. This is our 8th Young Entrepreneur Summit. We started with the one city, that is Pune, and now we are in the 15 states of India. And this time we're going to have the national summit will be in February in Bangalore, and before that we're going to have around 12 states, different state summit at different 12 states. So that is a plan this year.
Wow, I think that's a huge event that is going to be happening. So Priya ji, how does Yes Summit help grassroots entrepreneurs and young entrepreneurs to connect to the broader market, and how can they pitch their business ideas innovatively?
Main Yes Summit focus is to, first is giving them a template, they present their business idea. After that, their business idea get a, evolution and the verification how their business plan is running. Simultaneously, these people are getting a chance to register themselves in thematic areas. So we have around 7 thematic areas, like agri-related business idea, IT-related, micro businesses, art and craft, hospitality, tourism, food. So whatever business idea you are in or you're thinking about it, you can register yourself. So we have 2 kind of people. One is in the first phase where they're just having the idea and they want to present their idea. Second is they already started their business and they want to move further. So this 2 kind of people will be there and they will network with each other. So Yes Summit is giving a platform to all the young entrepreneurs, not as in the age. It's about how their entrepreneurship journey might be. He is around 45 or that lady is around 50. That person also can present their idea. So we don't have any age limit. So anyone can register to us and get the seed capital support too. The winner will get the seed capital.
Wow, I think that's a great opportunity for all our listeners to participate as well. So, Priya ji, as you said that food, tech and agriculture and art and craft, people from different backgrounds, they are coming. They have already pitched also before as well. So, any success stories you can tell us about any entrepreneurs?
Sure. Actually, I have so many stories. But first, I want to mention about the Sunanda Tai. She's from Nandurbar and she she started with it's a Marathi called Mohat Ke Ladu. So she started with that, and I'm telling you that Ladu, that innovation from that Moha ka flower, that is something innovative, and she creating that healthy impact to the everyone. So that was our last time winner, and we also having the different winners. But for this, I think you should go to our website and check it out more. Who are the winners and who are present in their ideas?
Definitely. I think that's a great thing, and I think Moha is very innovative. It's a flower, and making laddus out of flour. This is something for the first time I'm hearing. So I think that's a very nice thing. So Priyaji, can you tell us like how can this connect? How can Yes Summit connect to our entrepreneurs to the broader market? Are there any speakers, any interesting things, or any new opportunities for them to network and meet some interesting experts? If you could elaborate.
Yes. First is they're gonna meet around the expert from that field. So all the expert who started their businesses, the successful entrepreneurs will be there. There are so many people on the list, and their guests will be coming this year. But I want to tell what is specific area people will be coming. One is from the venture capital who can thinking about their business idea. Second is about banks who can provide you the good amount of loan and support. Third is the people who actually having the branding and promotion, and this all the expert people will be there. Also, we're gonna have the government side of it, how government are supporting and startup ecosystem. So government representative will be there. The nationally, how locally we can promote product globally. So international people will be there. So we're gonna have from local to international, everyone will be there this time.
Wow. So I see we have even international experts coming on this platform. So this is a very great opportunity for our listeners and for people to participate. So Priyaji, one last question for you. Any one message that you would like to give for the first time participants, for our listeners who probably are planning now to participate? Any one message?
First is, if you're a first timer, you should come. And this is a chance to present your idea and to understand where you stand with your idea. Second, if you already started your business, you should come to present your product and make the network. I want to tell you one thing that everyone should do it, that is connect, learn and network. And Yes Summit is providing that. You will learn lots of things because we're going to have the boot camp sessions about every particular topic which is required for the starting a business. Also, how you can market your product, and also internationally how you can reach. So I feel, this is a chance to meet all the people from the different flavors from all over India and understand what they do in different parts of India.
Wow. So I think those were some great insights that you shared with us, Priyaji. Thank you very much for sharing such interesting things about the Yes Summit. And I'm sure our listeners are also looking forward to attending the event. So it's a wrap for our episode today on Yes Summit by UTAID Foundation. And remember, Yes Summit is your platform to share your ideas, share your vision, as well as to create a meaningful and impactful change. Innovation begins with action. So mark your calendars and get ready to pitch, network and grow during Yes Summit 2025. This is your host signing off. Bye-bye. Good night.